Well, hi there folks. So here we are again, and things are looking up because today it's such a glorious day. I'm not actually wearing a scarf. I'm just wearing a t-shirt and very light winds. Summer must be here. I've got the Heewing Hunter here for a second test flight, made a few alterations, reduced the throws really dramatically. I won't show you now, but they are just really tiny throws because early flights it was just wild. And I've taken out the twin ESC that the basic kit came with because people reported problems with it, and I've replaced it with two separate ESCs. So let's see how this behaves now. Right, well, what very little wind there is coming from that direction. Not my favourite direction. Let's knock it back to half throttle. Actually, I'm going to keep it over there. Keep it out of the sun. Actually, it's flying quite nicely. It's climbing a bit too much. That's better. Just over half throttle. It's not bad at all, but it's still climbing too much. I'm going to land. Maybe land and give it a bit of trim. I can't trim it while it's flying. Yeah, I'm having to push the nose down. But that's not bad, is it? Well, that's a bit weird. There's a problem there. When I loop it, it goes a bit crazy. That's the problem with twin speed controllers, is you can get an out of balance plane, because when I gave it full beams there, it didn't seem to want to loop, did it? Though obviously I have calibrated the speed controllers and I did my best to test that the thrust was equal. It's a very lightweight plane, that's why you just saw it was actually hit by a gust there and it completely knocked it. Whoa man, I'm losing it. Oh, it's with the wind from that direction, it's being blown all over the place. Blimey. And I didn't intend to do that as I climbed then. And as you saw, lost some height, and once again it's hit the deck. Now people keep saying, oh, you seem to crash a lot on my videos. Well, I think people do when they're trying to set up models. It's not because I'm useless, it's just because sometimes one gets problems with these things. Good thing about the scrub here is things tend to survive. Wonder what the problem is with it. Tested the thrust at home by dangling it to see if there was a balance when I opened the throttle, and it appeared to be okay. But actually it's wanting to roll even in my hand, so that doesn't look very encouraging. Right, elevator is just about zero now, so we give it another go. See how we get on. Where's that wind coming from now? Oh, we have just had a complete 180 wind shift. In fact, I think it's just shifted again. Now it's coming from, now it's done a 90-degree shift and it's coming from that way. Anyway, let's give it another go. Oh, and I've just piled in. Give it some more gas. In fact, I'll give it a little bit of up trim again. A little bit. Not quite so much down trim. Give it a little bit of back down a little bit. Yeah, so it's only got a little tiny bit of up trim now. And a harder throw. Oh, much better. Much better. Let's see what happens with the glide test. Oh, it comes down very fast. Oh, so I'm going to try shifting the battery a little further back. Right, so where's that wind coming from now? Coming from there still, because we get sea breeze pulls in this way, and we get the meteor wind coming this way, and they fight with each other. And today's going to be a very warm day, so as it's warming up, it's dragging in the sea breeze. Let's give it another go. By the way, did you notice my little nav lights on that? I did make a video about fitting nav lights on planes. I think they're rather cute. Be better in the dark, but let's give this a go. And if I can get some height, a glide test. Definitely better with the LiPo a bit further back. Right, chop the throttle. Oh yes, much better. Chop the throttle, nose dipped a little bit, but in fact, what a smashing little flyer this is. It was so cheap. That is so nice. I've got it trimmed just right now. Not into the sun, please. I might try a loop again in a minute. Get brave. Whoa, fast man. The loop was all right that time. Oh, I like this. That's half throttle. It's a bit small, so it's hard to keep track of where it's going. One thing I did, which has been a great improvement, is reduce the throws dramatically. I think that battery's going. Better get it back over here. And it's gone swoopy now. You know what's happened? I think the battery has shifted. Let's see if we can do a proper landing here. Little glide. And there you are. If this surface had been flat and not hacked up, that would have glided in properly. But anyway, Heewing Hunter H1, easy to put together and a lot of fun. I'll link the actual little build blog for it at the end. But anyway, that's it. I've enjoyed it today. Nice to get out. And if you've enjoyed it too, please give it a like. And why not check out some of the other stuff on my channel and even subscribe. That's it for now. Hopefully I'll catch you all again soon. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.